So many thanks to the British Council Authority who gave me the opportunity to join an international event like this collaboration. Our tourist collaboration is with a very high profile school on India, Maharashtra, Bhimgarh High School. And then here is also the ideas coordinator Shampada ma'am and Rima ma'am and then others also.
Thank you, sir. Good morning and best wishes to all. I am Sumaya, a student of Bhalbaria Union High School, Gazipur Sodor, Bangladesh. Thanks to the school authorities for giving me the opportunity to present an event of international standard. I hope everyone is well. Respected teachers and friendly students of Bibgor High School, Bibgor High School from our Bibgor High School from our neighboring country India are joining us in today's Google Meet session. Here is also joined the head teacher of our school, Muhammad Shahidul Amuro sir, and joined all of our respected teachers. From India joined with us ID as coordinator of Bibgor High School and others. Specially welcome to my dearest friends, the students of Bibgor High School, India. Today our collaboration topic is tribal communities of the world, sub-activity, tribal weapons and ornaments. In this regard, students of our school are showing tribal ornaments and weapons which are made by themselves. I would like to invite Afia Shara.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. Yeah, thank you, Nazir sir.
Okay, thank you.
खूप भालो किदो खूप भालो खूप भालो पेदल
Mahima, grade 7, she made feather ankle bracelet.
माहिमा कितना सुंदर बनाया है
महिमा
खूब
चमत्कार
सुंदर
बानिয়েছে
खूब सुंदर
थैंक यू স্যার এইটুকু বলুন
ले चलो
একটা ভুলছে থ্যাংক ইউ you joined with us greetings from Bhavalbaria Union High School Bangladesh. I am very happy for this collaboration.
Urmila Sarkar,
Finally,
grade
I
7,
invite
she
you
made
to
tribal
school to
necklace.
visit our school. Thank you.
সোজা করতে Tanjila, grade 6, she made tribal leaves necklace. Tasmun Fidda, grade 6, she made tribal crown. Tasmia, grade 6, she made tribal boomerang.
Very nice, all of you.
Annie made tribal slit. Although she grade 6, she made tribal bow and arrow. Pratik Dash, grade 6, she made tribal knife. Sanjida, grade 6, she made tribal spear. Pooja Sarkar, grade 6, she made tribal necklace. Now, I would like to invite Afia Shara, grade 7, to present a brief description about the tribal ornament Oyarbun.
I am Afia, grade 7 student of for giving me the opportunity to present and teach of international standard. I hope everyone is well. Respected teacher and friendly students of Bhimgar High School from our neighboring country India are joining us in today's opening session. Now I am giving a brief description of the urbanate also called urbanates or templates are practiced traditional owned by male lands of the American land. Indians also have inner
কত ছোট ছোট বাচ্চা
great respect in their
ইন্ডিয়া
travel.
অনেক ভালো করে
Originally they were
এবং এটা
sometimes
ইংলিশ মতন
but they are now primarily used for ceremonial occasions. In the Native American and First Nation communities, their traditions have this item of religion. They are seen as item of great spirituality and political and only to be owned
শোনা
by
যাইতেছে না।
those who have inner rights and honor by their people. I have made their various birth patterns thanks to all.
Thank you,
Very nice.
Atia
Thank you
Shara,
so. Yeah. Thank you
for
so
your
much.
excellent
Yeah.
for your
Thank you so
excellent
much for the
presentation.
warm welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Now
much
I
for
would
the well welcome and thank you so much for the showing the activity. Okay, we are equally delighted to have this collaborative activity with you. Okay, very nice
thank you so
display of
much.
activities from all the students from Bangladesh, and I'm sure now even our students are very excited to show their activities also. So I'll call out the names of the students. Those students will show their activity and they will also describe their activity a bit. Okay, so let's begin. Virajini, can you turn on your camera? Virajini,
স্যার স্যার ওরা তো ওদেরটা শুরু করতেছে।
করবো করবো
go ahead. You
আমাদেরটা
can show
দেখাইছি
what
তো
you have
এখন
seen. You
ওরা
can
ওরা দুইটা
describe it.
দেখাইবো দেখানোর পর আবার আমরা শুরু করবো
You are on mute, Virajini. You are on mute.
Sir, I have made a necklace and it is made out of pearls and rakhi.
Okay, very good. You can show it properly. Can you show it properly in front of the screen? Very good. Okay.
Sir, I cannot see it. Can you ask the child to show it once again? It's not
Can you hold
visible.
it properly, Virajini, in front of the camera?
Oh, very nice. Excellent, excellent. Very nice.
Akash, would you like to go ahead now?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have made this tribal crown.
Your camera is not turned on, Akash.
Sir, it is turned on.
Yeah, I can see it. Go ahead.
This I made the tribal crown because I made this tribal crown with neon color different feathers to make it colorful and I have decorated with beads to make it attractive. To tie at my corner, I have used woolen thread.
Akash, can you show it properly without the background illusions? Okay, cannot see the product.
Can you turn off your background effect,
No,
and then show
sir,
it?
I didn't.
Okay, can you display what you have prepared?
Yeah. Show it. Your crown. Oh, very beautiful, very nice,
Wow,
full of
wow,
feathers.
wow. Very nice.
Akash, hold it on the left hand side so that I can take an image with you. You can take an image of a crown along with you. Thank you, dear.
Devyani, would you like to go ahead?
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Devyani Purekar. I have made a necklace. It is made up of some reused things and this was used by the tribal people. Hope you liked it. Thank you.
Annie, can you show it dear once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Very beautiful.
Thank you. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Vishnuvardhan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. I am Vishwardhan studying in 5th D in Vibgyor High, Kolhapur. This is Dao. It is the sword of the Naga people of northeastern India. It is used for digging as well as for killing. The sword has a wooden hilt and a unique square form.
Very good. You have made it up of what material, dear?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Okay. That's really beautiful and very creative.
Thank you.
Vihan, would you like to go ahead, Vihan?
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Vihan Samir Dhauskar and today I am going to show my spear. This is the spear. The tribal people used it for fighting, and I have used wood, foil paper and cardboard to make it.
I think you have made a 3D model of it. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very nice one, Vihan.
It's also.
Excellent. Okay, Mihika? Mihika?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir and teachers of Bangladesh. I have made a necklace from beads, a bracelet from beads.
Mika, can you keep it on the left hand side with you so I can click an image? Left or right? Right. One of the sides so that I can see your photo, yourself once. Yeah. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Khushi? Khushi?
Yes, good morning all. My name is Khushi. I study in Vibgyor High, Kolhapur. I am a grade 5 student. I have made a headgear.
Wow. It's a very
Can you
nice.
can you take it?
Kushi, can you wear it? Can you wear it so that I can click an image? Very beautiful.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah.
Yes, Mama.
Darshan sir.
Yes, Mozammil sir.
Our head teacher is now with us. He is so busy man. So he want to thanks to all of you. Please let me 1 minute.
No problem, sir. You can introduce your head teacher.
Thanks to all for your best effort. Now I humbly call upon Shahidul Amoral sir, headmaster of our school, to deliver his speech.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Thanks to all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Sir, I have to also throw my knife.
Just a minute, Lavin. Okay, sir, you can go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks to all of you who joined with us. Greeting for Bawalbari Union High School, Bangladesh. I am very happy for this collaboration. Finally, I invite you to school to visit our school. Thanks. Thanks to all. Thanks to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for inviting us. We are really eager to come there and visit your school. And we also invite you for the same. You also, whenever you come to India, you are also welcome to our school.
Thanks. All are you. Okay, sir, you can continue, please.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes. Shashwat?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Shashwat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can show your what thing have you made. You can describe it.
Good morning, friends. I have made a sheep.
Oh,
দেখছো কত চমৎকার কথা বলেছো তো বুঝছি। ওয়াও ওয়াও ওয়াও, ভেরি নাইস। এই মোবাইল লো, বাংলাদেশের কারোর সাথে কথা বলতে চাই, তুমি কথা বলো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, তাড়াতাড়ি। ইংলিশে কথা কবি, এখানে বল। আনমিউট করবি, কথা বলবো। সুমাইয়া, সুমাইয়ার সাথে কথা বলতে চাচ্ছে।
Hello. Hello, how are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm also fine. No, looking very beautiful. I'm studying it. Yes? I'm studying it. Class 7. And you?
রিকা, তুই একজনের নক কর, একজনের নক করে কথা কর। নাম নাম ধরে ডাকবেস না।
Hello, David. How are you? I'm also fine. I did class 7. Thank you.
দাওয়াত দে, দাওয়াত দে।
If you come Bangladesh, please visit our school.
That's really beautiful, sir. He made this very nice. শুধু বলবা যে I am fine. I am in the sleep of you are leader in our মাহিনা কথা বলো। বাংলা বলছে এটা ঠিক আছে কিনা? Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. I'm fine, thank you. I'm studying 7. You are looking very beautiful.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Oh, please, can come in. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. And then you are most welcome in our school in Bangladesh. Okay. Darshan sir, please proceed on. Continue, please. বলো না তো মাঝে মাঝে তুমি বলো সো নাইস বা বিউটিফুল। Very nice and colorful. Excellent, sir. Share done. Very done. এই তুমি ক্যামেরাটা অন করো না তোমার। Ah, okay. Okay. I want to introduce Devan to our one of student Mahima. Please turn on your camera and on your mic and talk to your friend Devan. Bhattacharya Devan, please. কথা বলো.
Hello, Divan. How are you? I am also fine. What class do you read in? What class do you read in?
Oh, দাও. You are invited.
You are invited to our school.
কোথায় বাস করো? গাজীপুরে.
I live in Bangladesh, Gajipur Sagar.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. বলো তোমার স্কুলের নাম বলো.
Bhalbaria Union High School. No.
Ah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. এই তোমরা দুই একজন এই কথাটুকু বলতে পারে না, ওই যে কথা বলতে পারছে, তুমি চমৎকার বলছো। হ্যাঁ, এমন দুই একজনে বলো না, তারা তো আর বেশি কিছু না বলে না। Very nice. Oh, really nice, excellent. Wow. You are looking so nice.
Good morning, Rupali ma'am.
Fine.
I'm fine.
Oh, my little baby. Oh, my little baby. She had a very good, and then, wow. So nice. Neelam.
Wow, you are looking very beautiful.
Uh, কথা কথা Do you know Bangla? No. Ashish Wasa. You are a smart boy. Oh, please turn on your camera, please. I have.
Hello, Ashish. How are you?
Oh,
I'm fine. What about you? What was your day? What was your day? I didn't listen. You are interested. What is it?
তুমি কি খেতে পছন্দ করো কি খাও তুমি কি পছন্দ করো কি করো এগুলো
What do you want to eat?
What is your favorite food?
No specific.
Pizza.
I love biryani. So much.
Oh. Oh, nice.
I'm very happy to meet you.
রিকাতের সাথে কথা বলতে চাচ্ছে
What's your name?
Oh, nice collaborator. No.
My hobby is cricket. Playing cricket.
Uh,
What's your name? Numan. I didn't consider. What? I can understand. My age. What do you have?
uh, 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 sir. Okay.